What is the active employee requirement in an ERISA disability policy or plan? And how does a disability carrier use this term to deny an otherwise legitimate disability insurance claim? Do you know that while you may be disabled under the terms of a disability insurance policy or plan, you also have to be what's called an active employee to be covered under the disability policy or plan? In other words, you might be paying premium for disability insurance coverage, but you may not be qualified for benefits because you weren't an active employee during the relevant period of time in which you are claiming disability. This is a bit of a confusing concept, so let me give you an example. This is the case of a Regala versus Hartford Life. Now, Regala claimed that he was disabled under his ERISA disability benefit plan because of major depression. He claimed he was disabled as of May 8, 2017. So keep that date in mind. Hartford denied that he was an active employee as of that time. So what were the facts that matter? Well, we start out with a plan, and that required that he be an active employee. What's the definition of an active employee? An employee who works for the employer on a regular basis in the usual course of the employer's business. That sounds pretty normal. In other words, a claimant like Regala would not be considered an active employee if they weren't performing necessary work duties on work days. Well, how did it work out in this case? Well, unfortunately, he was in jail from April 10 to May 7, 2017. And from May 8, 2017 until his termination, he wasn't performing his regular duties on scheduled work days. Therefore, he wasn't an active employee who was eligible for benefits, regardless of how disabled he might have been. Now, picking the right date to claim disability, in my view, is key, and picking that day should be made in consultation with an experienced ERISA disability attorney. There's a twist on this. Sometimes the definition of an active employee says that you have to be working at least 30 hours per week to be considered an active employee. And if you're not working those hours and you stop work and apply for benefits, the carrier's going to say, too bad, so sad, you weren't an active employee. So it's the language in the policy or the plan that's going to make a difference. And then obviously it's going to take an analysis of how those provisions apply to your specific and unique personal situation. If you have any questions about your rights to disability insurance benefits, how your disability carrier might be interpreting the terms of the policy or plan, or better yet, what you need to know before you stop work and apply for benefits, call me at 727-894-3188. I can help you understand the terms of your disability policy or plan, help you determine whether you're entitled to benefits, help you deal with any obstacle to getting those benefits, so that you're making informed decisions that will help you get the disability benefits you deserve. Call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I look forward to helping you get the disability benefits you deserve regardless of where you live in the United States. 727-894-3188.